Heading out somewhere?
I am. I'm meeting up with Chloe for coffee.
Chloe? The one we met at Liam's birthday party? The veterinarian with the crazy monkey story?
That's the one. We exchanged numbers and she suggested we grab a coffee this weekend.
That's awesome. She seemed really cool. I hope you have a great time.
Thanks! I'm excited. It's always nice to make a new friend in the city. I'll see you in a bit. See you later.
Anne! Hey! Chloe, hi! I'm so glad you can make it. Me too! This place is so cute. I've never been here before. Sorry I'm a couple of minutes late. Parking was a nightmare. Oh, don't worry about it at all. I just got here myself. Have you ordered yet? Not yet. I'm going to run up and grab a latte. Do you want anything else? I'm all good for now, thanks.
Okay, all set. So, how has your week been since the party?
It's been good. Pretty busy with work, but that's normal. It was so nice of you to suggest this.
Of course, I had a really great time talking to you and David at the party. I was hoping we could connect again.
Me too! I was telling David after we left that you seemed so interesting. I mean, your story about Bali was epic.
It was definitely a memorable trip.
It makes me wonder, besides being a veterinarian and an adventurer, what else do you like to do in your free time? What are some of your hobbies?
That's a great question. Well, as you can probably guess from my travel stories, I absolutely love being outdoors.
I got that impression.
My biggest hobby is probably hiking. I try to get out of the city and onto a trail at least twice a month. It's how I clear my head.
Oh, wow. I love hiking too. But I'm more of a beginner. I haven't explored many of the trails around here yet.
You have to. There are some incredible spots just an hour's drive from here. I'm also really into photography, and hiking is the perfect way to combine those two passions.
What kind of photography do you do? People? Landscapes?
Mostly landscapes and nature. I'm not very good at taking pictures of people. I always feel awkward telling them how to pose. Capturing a beautiful mountain or a forest is much easier for me.
That's so cool. I'd love to see some of your photos sometime.
I can show you my Instagram later. So, what about you? What do you like to do when you're not teaching a classroom of energetic second graders?
Well, my hobbies are a bit more indoorsy, I think. My main one is baking.
No way. I love to bake too, but I'm terrible at it. Everything I make ends up either burnt or completely flat.
It just takes practice. I find it really relaxing. I love putting on some music and just getting lost in a recipe for a few hours. My specialty is sourdough bread. You make your own sourdough? I am seriously impressed. That's a whole other level of baking. It's my weekend therapy, but I have been trying to get outdoors more, which is why I've started hiking. I'm just not very confident about going alone. We'll have to fix that. What about other things? Do you watch much TV? Any shows you're into right now? Oh, that's a dangerous question. I can talk about TV shows for hours. Have you been watching The Crown? I'm completely obsessed with the new season. Yes, I just finished it last week. It was so good, wasn't it? The casting was perfect, right? I thought the actress who played Princess Diana was incredible. It's so nice to have someone to talk to about it. David hasn't seen it yet. Well, it's really cool that we have some things in common. The hiking and the TV shows. I know, it feels like we've known each other for longer than a week. I feel the same way. You know, speaking of hiking, a few of my friends and I are planning to go on a hike next Saturday. We're going to Quarry Rock. It's a relatively easy trail with a stunning view at the end. Oh, I've seen pictures of that place. It looks beautiful. It is. You and David should totally come with us if you're free. It would be a fun, no-pressure way to hang out. I would absolutely love that. That sounds perfect. David loves hiking too. He'd be thrilled. Awesome. Let me get your phone number and I'll add you to the group chat so you can get all the details. Perfect. This is great. I'm really looking forward to it. Me too. Thank you so much for inviting us.